says she running away. She says she can't take it no more. No. So she ran away. She can't love him what she wants.
So I'm in my office right now. I know I haven't given you guys a tour of my office, and that's because it's not completely finished. Number one. Number two, it's a mess. Like, I don't know if y'all would call it a mess, but for me it's a mess. Yeah, for me it's a mess. But anyways, I am preparing for my vacation. However, my work does not stop. Okay? Not because I'm on vacation. My work stops. My work does not stop. I still have to make sure that I am accessible to my clients. And if there's anything at all that I need to attend to, that I can be able to do that. Now, I said that to say this. I have a laptop here, and she's big. She's a huge laptop. It's a 17-inch laptop. Sorry, I was distracted with that. So, I have to be accessible at all times. So I went and I got me a smaller laptop. Hi family, and welcome back. If this is your first time seeing me, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. For my returning fam, welcome back. On this channel, we do interior design with a real interior designer, DIYs, lifestyle, and some vlogging. So if that is what you're looking for, go ahead and stick around. Now guys, let's get into this video. So this is the new, I bought it, I actually went to Walmart, and it's a HP, and it's a 14-inch. It's a 14-inch. Okay, it comes with the 365, the Microsoft 365 Professional, a 1 year included. I don't need that because I already have it already. It also comes with a wireless mouse. That I liked, so because I have this wireless mouse, I did not want to have to walk with that. So here she is. Like I said, she is pretty small, and that's what I wanted. I wanted something that can fit in my bag. Okay. Now I am going to attempt setting this up, and I hope I get it done, because if I don't, baby's gonna talk mess, because that's his field. He's a computer engineer, that's what he does. And I find like I used to do stuff myself, but all of a sudden it's like I get dependent on him when it comes to stuff like this, because that's his field, I guess. But I used to know how to do this kind of stuff, and I don't know what's the problem. So I'm gonna show you guys everything. I didn't put any warranty on it, but I think I'm gonna go online and add the warranty to it. So it just came with that. I got it from Walmart, and like I said, it was $269 for it. It came with a mouse. I like that this mouse is very nice and slick. See, it's a nice, I love that. Okay. And it also came with the battery, an Energizer battery, and the adapter to connect it to, just like my other mouse, to connect it to the computer. Okay, so yeah, I am so excited, guys. We have not been on vacation for for a while. We haven't been on vacation for since 2019 when we went to Haiti. I think we went to Haiti like twice that year. But so okay, child, I gotta go read to figure out how to open this up. How do you open it up? The heck? I gotta figure out how to open. I gotta read to figure out how to open it up to put the battery in. I don't see nothing here to. I don't even see a screw to screw it out to do. What the heck? I'm thinking you probably gotta just slide something. Maybe slide that back, push it back. I don't know. I just had to put my finger in it to get it out. Yeah, so I was saying, like, I kept telling Babe, like, babe, I need a break. I need a break. I need a break. He said, okay, where do you want to go? You want to go to Costa Rica? You want to just go down to Miami? I said, I want to feel like I left the U.S. Even though our vacation is in the U.S., but it's still going to feel like I left the U.S. So I just had to, I was thinking, I was like, oh my God, I'm going to be gone for an entire week. What do I do about work? You know, my job requires me to use certain programs. Like I use AutoCAD like on a daily basis. Then I have a purchasing program that I use on a daily basis. So I wanted to ensure that I can, how I was saying, how am I going to be able to access all this stuff, you know? So one of my vendors, I was having a conversation with him, and he told me about this program that I can download. Basically, the name of it, I think, is Go to My Computer or something like that, or Go to My PC. He told me I can download that, and I'll be able to access my PC at home once the PC is turned on. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this laptop up. I'm going to do whatever installs I have to do, and then I am going to basically try it out to make sure everything works. God darn it. I hate that the extension cord that I'm using, it doesn't have the protector, the surge protector part. Yeah, so I'm going to set everything up, make sure that yes, I can access my PC. I was gonna wait Saturday when Babe was here so that him and I could go do this. But then I would have only had one day left to check everything out. And, you know, what if I needed to go get something else, order something or whatever. So I went and I got it today. Because I did wanted to go get my hair done today. But I think I'm going to go tomorrow morning and get my hair done. And then I think on Friday, I go get my nails and my feet done. Because I know Saturday and Sunday is up in the air for me. Because, you know, I'm going to be with the boss, my baby. The boss man. And when it comes to him, I make sure that I give him the time that he needs. Yeah, I am about to start doing some work, and I have some purchases to do for a client. I have some research to look for some drapery and so forth, and get some carpet organized for a client, and complete like a whole design for him. That one I know I'm going to finish it on my vacation, but I want to, you know, really start it from here. And then I have a submittal to do to IHG, which is for a Holiday Inn Express. So I need to finish those drawings. I'm going to try to finish those drawings tonight and get those submitted. Okay, so yeah. So that's it for this part of the video. I'm about to start doing some work now. So I had it doing its thing. Now I'm about to do the registration on this, and then I'll get it set up. And if I get it working like how the guy told me it's supposed to work, I will go ahead and film that part so you guys can see it in case anybody wants to do that to their PC as well. Okay guys, so like I said, it worked. So your girl gonna be on vacay doing her thing, and I have to figure out how to connect my phone to this computer so I can see my text messages and stuff that will come in there. So yeah, so if you guys want to get this done, the name of the site is logintomypc.com. They do have like a half off right now. It's $29 for the entire year. You have different options you can use. I just use the single option because it's just really me and Babe that would, use it remotely. But if you have a team, it has the team option as well. And you would download the program on the main computer. So I downloaded on this one, and then you would log in using this computer. I will log in and connect. This computer, however, has to remain on at all times. You can't turn it off if you're planning to go remote into it. So this one has to stay on at all times. So I'm going to make sure that this one is always turned on and the remote access is always turned on to it so that I can use this to access it no matter where I am in the world. So if you guys are interested in that, this is not a promotion. It's not a promotion, child. It's just something that worked for me, and I'm letting you guys know about it. I'm trying to make my work more efficient. Sometimes I do want to go get stuff done. Like I want to go get my hair braided because I don't feel like braiding my hair myself. And I'm like, I'm going to be away from the computer for over 4 hours. That's a long time to be away. So I can walk with my laptop. I can do work while I'm getting my hair braided. I can, look for stuff. I can do stuff. So I do have unlimited internet on my cell phone. So I can always do the internet sharing on my cell phone, which again would give me, internet wherever I go. So yeah, so I'm liking this. I am excited and I cannot believe it actually worked. So guys, I will see you guys on my next video. And I'm trying to get some content put together for you guys. I normally don't do this kind of content, but I'm starting to branch into it because I started my channel so that it can be an interior design, lifestyle type channel. And, doing a little bit of vlogging here and there. And I do DIYs here and there, but I don't do them all the time. I have to be in the mood or something that really inspired me. So I did it. I'll do it. So I need to stick with what I started my channel to do, which is dealing with interior design. And hopefully my audience would gravitate to that, or I will, reach those audience that are interested in that kind of stuff. I don't want to stray too much into DIY because again, then my channel will become a DIY channel, So like I said, I am going to put together a video speaking about interior design, the difference between an interior designer and interior decorator, because I get that question very often, and I often have to correct people as to what I am, and I am not. No shade, but she is not an interior decorator. She is an interior designer, okay? So I will do a video on that. And in that video, I will give you guys some tips on how you can start to do projects in your own home, how you can, how to start. Some people don't know how to start. They have all these ideas, but they don't know how to put them together. They don't know how to start. So I'm going to do a video on that. I think I did one before, but it may not have been as in detail as I want to do this particular one, or it may have just been towards like a particular thing, probably curtains or something like that. But I'm gonna do a video on that, and I might change my atmosphere where I'm at to do that particular video. I don't know, but I'm definitely gonna do that video for you. It is on my list to get done for you guys. Okay, so again, I love you guys, and I am going on vacation in a few days, so I need to get a lot of things done. That's why I decided to do this little vlog and do some vlogs here and there, so that I have content to push out for you guys even when I'm on vacation. So when I'm in the airport, I can be doing my editing and get stuff done for you guys. Okay, I'm trying to get stuff done like that, so when I'm on the plane for 3 hours, I can be doing some editing. I'll have stuff to edit so I can post for you guys. So I'm gonna try to get a lot of content in and get that done for you. Okay, again, bye. See you guys. This girl gonna be looking brand new. Hey guys, so I just wanted to come back on to show you guys my GoPro came. My GoPro came right after I finished videoing. Here she is. My daughter and them was being fast, they opened it, so. But that's my GoPro, and it has a lot of gadgets. So I have a lot of gadgets that I need to figure out what is what. One thing I'm happy for is this part right here to connect it to, so you don't lose in the water when we're doing, you know, stuff. And this one, I like that. The other stuff I have to figure out. They have that headpiece, so yeah, it has a lot of stuff it came with. This is the floater. I always wondered, I was like, when I see people going in the water with a GoPro, I'd be like, what if it drops? Like, what you gonna do? So I am almost set for my vacation. I'm just waiting for a pair of shoes that I ordered to get here, and I hope they do, because I plan to wear those on like every day. I plan to wear those. So I am not going to open this up too much more. I'm gonna leave it for Babe to set it up and everything else and play with it. So yeah, so my GoPro is here and I'm excited. Bam.
She says she running away. She says she can't take it no more. No.